My phone's gonna die, so I'm doing a quick video. We're working at getting these Metropolitans or Metropolitans, I can't remember what they're called, out for sale. We should have most of them out today. What's up, Grant?
There's a fan that's out there that's very insecure, and I feel.
Okay, I will. My phone's gonna die, so I'm doing this now. Give me a second, and I will come out there. Let's just see what's out here. Well, we'll go this way, and you show me the. Is it on this side or the other side?
Other side.
Okay, good, perfect. So I can go around this way. That's a good price. You priced that real pretty one real low.
Yeah, that one.
This one? It's not going anywhere.
Isn't it?
No,
All right.
it doesn't seem like it. That's a really nice fan there, the Emerson Legend. If I didn't already, no, you got the sign on it.
No, I get the other one with the price, the factory.
Oh, I don't think I made a factory price one for
Yeah, I'm
this.
sure I saw you.
Wasn't it Casablanca?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe he's right.
No, that's an Emerson.
Yeah, it is an Emerson.
But I mean, that would
Okay.
some time.
So yeah, I would have got that Legend for myself if I wasn't already overwhelmed with fans. But well, okay, my phone's about to die, and I got lots of work yet to do. So this will be it for today.